Today, I want to take you on a walkthrough through Aviva's Industrial Intelligence Platform. And we're going to get started with what it looks like for organizations to be empowered by Aviva Connect data services and visualization services. And what this can look like is operators and engineers receiving real-time interactive cloud dashboards of on-premises data available anywhere where they have access to a secure cloud connection. This can be data scientists and analysts who are able to use open source tools such as Grafana to slice and dice their real-time operations data and gain insights into the behavior of their critical assets. It can mean individuals within a business intelligence or data science team who want to use the Microsoft suite, such as Power BI, looking at that exact same data, whether via the on-premises Microsoft Power BI desktop or via the Power BI Enterprise Gateway, making that data available to anyone in their organization via the cloud. Using Connect data services and visualization services can also allow organizations to empower their developers to use tools such as Python, R, C#, and the rest of a whole host of modern programming languages against their real-time data, such as this example, where we're taking data from our on-premises system, streaming it up to the cloud, and performing multivariable regression analysis in a non-Aviva tool, but with a dataset that's fed through Connect data services. This can also mean organizations who are looking to achieve greater visibility into their on-premises data using the ability of Connect data services to connect natively to Aviva software and platforms on-premises and allow things like real-time PyPoint data and data streams and even asset framework elements to be streamed right up to the cloud and available to anyone who has access to this secure cloud portal. This can allow those same analysts and those same operators and engineers at the site to create analytics-ready data views of all of this data to allow them to prepare and aggregate and shape and format this data so that it's ready for consumption by multiple teams and users throughout their organization. And through the cloud's rich and powerful REST API, that exact same data can be downloaded and retrieved in multiple different formats at scale to make it suitable for whichever analytics or data science or analysis platform a company chooses to use on top of Connect data services. For those developers looking to get started with their projects right away, we provide off-the-shelf sample code available today on our GitHub site to jumpstart your development projects. And where those projects involve analyzing both continuous data streams and event-based discrete data, Connect Data Services supports this as well, with the ability to both store events and allow those to be retrieved via the REST API or via the GraphQL Explorer and GraphQL API as well. This allows that exact same data that's being shared from on-premises up to the cloud from multiple sensors and sources and historians and Aviva Pi systems to be further shared outside of a company's boundary where it's required for regulatory sharing or to share real-time streaming data with a partner who can perform value-added services atop this using native Connect data services communities, allowing organizations to have careful control over which specific data streams they choose to share, invite new organizations into a data sharing community, and have those organizations see this data without any convoluted ETLs or data transmissions, allowing secure data sharing in a controlled manner where they can choose specifically when and where that data is shared. All this is possible thanks to the native integration between Connect Data Services, Aviva Historians, Aviva MES, and Aviva Pi systems, simply through installing, for a Pi system, the Pi to Connect agent that allows on-premises Pi systems to be registered in the cloud, allowing their asset framework and PyPoint data to be retrieved and integrated through all of the different analysis and visualization options that you've just seen. After this agent is installed and configured, in just a few minutes, users are able to select the specific PyPoints or asset framework elements from one or more on-premises asset framework or data archive servers, have those be synchronized in real time up to the cloud, and have that data then be ready for analytics. This data can also come directly from on-premises SCADA, PLC, smart meters, even IoT devices using Aviva Edge Data Store and adapters that allow that exact same data to be directly sent from on-premises to the cloud in sites that do not have Aviva Pi systems or other Aviva platforms. And these adapters can run on Windows, on Debian Linux, and also within containers to allow organizations maximum flexibility for where they wish to implement their data collection. Altogether, this platform can even go so far as to take multiple different data sets coming from different sites, different locations, and applying smart asset rules to build out asset structures and asset hierarchies up in the cloud to give organizations the ability to make better sense of the large amounts of data that they're streaming up from all the sites across their enterprise. And in addition to delivering both this data services platform and Aviva visualization services to present those real-time cloud dashboards, where there is the need to perform cloud-based analytics, everything from straightforward calculations to sophisticated machine learning, Connect Modeling and Analytics can exactly provide that. In Connect Modeling and Analytics, there's a modeling factory full of pre-built ML templates for analyzing production, energy optimization, drivers through an event, classifying anomalies that allows a straightforward and streamlined process for taking data from any of those on-premises sources that has been sent up to Connect Data Services, configuring data collection, ML model configuration, and training, and ultimately operationalizing that model to take all of those input streams, run trained models against them, and be able to predict asset failures and anomalies far before they would have ever been detected by previous analytics tools. Those inputs and outputs can be retrieved and written to and from Connect Data Services, both in conjunction with those models and with any specific calculations or equations that need to be done upfront to sanitize or prepare those models with stage 1 calculations. Whether there's a need to run these kind of calculations in the cloud or sophisticated AI and machine learning models, Connect Modeling Analytics can absolutely provide this, and at the end of the day allow notifications and alerts to be delivered right to those users at each site when the model detects that those input variables are trending away from what the model has detected to be ideal behavior. Altogether, this is delivering analytics and preemptive alerts far in advance of where traditional systems could ever have previously detected, ultimately delivering that ROI in terms of asset maintenance, catching quality deviations for continuous processes, and allowing organizations to get even more out of the real-time data that they already have. This solution that you see right here is formed by 3 core components: Connect Modeling and Analytics, Data Services, and Visualization Services, all of which is available through Connect from Aviva, forming the core of our industrial intelligence platform. And if you're curious about how you can put these technologies to work at your sites and at your organizations with your real-time data in a straightforward and streamlined process, please reach out to us at Aviva, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.